This is a perfect day where I can check the tracker for leaks. I got plenty of paper towels to soak them up. I have the new soft top on. You kind of see water going down in there. Got new windshield molding, some silicone up top there. So hopefully that stops the leaks. No guarantees with anything, but this is perfect. You know, it's usually worse on the passenger side than the driver's side, but you can kind of see how water's actually trying to creep down in there. So that's probably another potential source. I'm just going to wait for this rain out, and then I'm going to check it later. I'll talk to you.